Looking a bit frosty, aren't they? Oh, that's tight. Oh, God. Oops. And we're ready to rock and roll. Let's go home. I'm going for it.
I'm going for it. I'm going for it. It's popped her out. Here he is. He ain't seen me yet. Well done. He's done it.
It's just hard to find someone that can do it. Garages, I can't justify paying the prices for garages. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is a brand new tractor. Why have they got another tractor? They don't need another tractor. They've already got 3. And I thought they said they'd no money. Good morning, guys. It is a Sunday morning. Peter's here. Oliver's here. Kids are at mum's. And we are going to feed the sheep. Just tying it on and then we can set off. At least I'll get up there this morning. Got Peter driving today, but I went up that side. Oliver wouldn't let me go this side.
Well, I don't full blame him.
There's a track up here, you can see. But obviously the track gets worse every year, doesn't it?
No.
Well, yeah, it gets boggier. Anyway, this is the way I'll go next time.
Come on.
Why?
You're not fit.
Yes, I am. Just watch me. You won't be here anyway. Very cold this morning. Still following the track, look. They're coming. Nightmare when it's foggy. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Looking a bit frosty, aren't they? Oliver's gone looking for some more sheep because there's some shearings they're wanting. The younger end of sheep, and they've gone wandering, so we're just waiting for him to fetch them back. Yeah, if he can see where we are, that's the problem. Can you?
Yeah.
Is he further up?
I'd like through there.
Oh. I suppose he can hear us as well.
Probably got.
Oh. It's just that foggy. What did you call it? Freezing fog. His hat at the front is white with that freezing fog. You see? Ollie! Anyway, we'll get it out. Just put it out. We'll probably have to go and find the others. All done, and back we go. Just putting a bale out for the sheep. It's that icy cold frost. Like, oh, it's so bad. So bad. It's that freezing fog and it's bitter. So feeding the sheep up there today, you couldn't see anything, like nothing at all. There is a track up, you know, by the fence side, like I said in the previous video. But Oliver seemed to want me to go this side because we were all on the other side. So that's why I went up the other side that isn't a track. Not really a track, it's a slight one, but so they follow me up, you see. But today we went up the track that I first went up when we first brought them up there. You can see in my drone there's a track up. But yeah, I will go that way next time. Just depends where the sheep are, you know. So I'm just going to bail out now. And then we can go back and have a cup of tea. It's that freezing fog and it's not nice, so. I see what it means. Oliver went round to look for some sheep on the bike, no gloves, and his hat was white. I didn't really get it in the video much, but his hat was white with frost light. So that's what freezing fog is. Oh, that's tight. Oh God, I had to nip my bum cheeks for that one. Perfectly done. There we are. Right, let's get home for a cup of tea and a hands warm up. Oh, they've gone blue. Not too bad. But they usually go blue for some reason. Oops. Silly me. It's okay, nobody'll know. I won't tell him if you won't. I'll just pop it back on. Yeah, nothing's broken, so that's good. There we go, like new. Oh, this way. The moisture's frosted. Oh, not nice. Cold. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning, but it is freezing. So I am lighting the fire. Whew. So this afternoon we are just preparing for another hard frost and some snow. This is the door that goes into the garden, sort of shed type thing. And the tubs are here. We want to feed them in there, so we're going to take that door off. And then we're going to put silage in there so they can eat in there. And it's a bit of shelter as well. So I'm just going to take these off. So they can get in and out. Yeah, that's the idea today. And just feeding up in general stuff as well. This is the back of the house. You can see. We've just had some lovely visitors this afternoon. All the way from Northern Ireland. What did they call him? Eric from the North. Some man. I think he's very, very similar to Oliver. They would get on like a house on fire. Yes, they both think the same. So yeah, we'll crack on with this. Oh look guys, they're coming in already. Oh, that's good. They're gonna like it in here. A bit of shelter, you see. This is the garden, right? That's the house. And then this is like, probably should be a car garage or something, but we don't use it for the cars. Obviously got lots of toys, that's for burning, that junk there. And I'm going to have a bale in here. It's a bit of hard standing, we can feed them easily. So yeah, let's bang a bale in. There we go. Happy now? Just gone for another bale for coos. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is a brand new tractor. Well, it's not brand new, but it's brand new to us. I will show you it right now, because it's here. This is Peter's new tractor. Bought from Tunstall Tractors. There we have it. And what make is it, Peter?
Case Steyr.
Aye. Are they very reliable tractors?
Yep.
What horsepower is it? What make is it?
78. We made it a little one to get into buildings.
Just the right size, isn't it?
Yep.
All the tyres are good. It's got a nice quickie loader on. Oh, it's an MX loader. Didn't come with that. CS78. So it's 78 horsepower.
Yeah.
So why do you need one of these?
Just made another loader tractor and we've gone in half share with Robert Mason at Hilltop.
Ah, I see. Share farming.
Yeah, he needs another tractor.
Oh, that's good. Teamwork.
Yep.
What else? Oliver, what do you think of it? Goodbye?
What?
Goodbye? Yeah, I think it'll be very useful. Well, you need it, don't you? Because we've got
Yeah.
your black one. And it spares us going over to Dent all the time.
Yeah, it'll be handy in summer. It'll be wrapping and carting bales and
Yeah.
just putting some lights on it because they're a bit bad.
Bad lights on them.
Yeah, can't hardly see.
I think you've... what if you put 2 square on them?
Yeah, and a light one up, light bar up. Plain.
Aha. Yes. Can't beat a light bar. You put some on your load, all them square lights, and they've not lasted very long.
They haven't.
No. You can see little bulbs are all going. There's maybe one or two.
Back into things.
No, it's the bulbs, it's the lights. But the light bar's still like new.
I'd recommend David Tunstall from Tunstall Tractors to anybody.
Yeah,
He has a tractor for anyone.
yeah. He has all sorts of makes, or just
Everything.
mainly Zettas.
Zetas and Hurlemans.
Yeah. Did he do you a good price on it?
Yep.
Knock anything off?
Well, I'll be.
That's what we like. Aye, very nice.
Got one drop so you can get outside.
So there we have it. Peter's new tractor. And Robert's new tractor. Can't beat these older tractors, can you?
No.
It's like my Valtra. Can he beat him? He's put many lights on, there's Oliver now, so he's used to the job. Now you might be thinking, why have they got another tractor? They don't need another tractor, they've already got 3. And I thought they said they'd no money. Right. Yes, you could be right. Yeah, I can see your point of view. But we had a deal that we couldn't resist. Like, you know, we're half in it. We're sharing it with someone. Well, we're sharing it with Robert Mason. It's Peter works for him. Peter's up Dent with Robert Mason and they're sharing it. Just spares us going back and forward to Dent with our loader tractor here. It saves time, saves fuel, saves everything. So it's definitely worth another tractor for Peter. It's very handy, very little. You can get in and out little buildings like we have at Dent. Very small sheds, so very nippy. It'll come in handy in summer and it was half the price. So it's come at a bad time, but with another tractor now we can use. So I think it's fantastic. Strike while the iron is hot. Morning. Yeah, the car brakes are not great at the minute, so we have to keep topping this up all the time, and then the beeping stops. It's been a long time coming, and it's just hard to find someone that can do it. Garages, I can't justify paying the prices for garages. So, luckily, I have someone coming in the morning, possibly in the morning, possibly. It's going to shift a few things around and come, so that's really good. You don't often find someone that can do that for you, and to shift a few things around to come. I appreciate that massively, really do. We had to go and get the kids, so we had to top it up. So that might last. Well, we shouldn't go anywhere in it. Did take Jim to nursery and I got home fine, but I will go in the buggy, I think, to get Jim. So yeah, that is my morning situation. Oliver's fed up already. He's been up the fell, he's done the sheep, the bales, he's done everything. So, didn't need me this morning. It is harder on your own, like, you know, but... Right, we're getting some bales this morning, so we'll go and crack on with that. Gonna have a cup of tea and then crack on. Just getting the trailer ready, straps ready, and then we can have a cup of tea and go. Got to get comfy cosy because it's a long way. I would say it's around an hour's drive in a tractor to go and get our bales. Steering wheel down, pants down. Oh, that was a bit dodgy. Pants down, gets a bit hot. Right, let's away! Away with the fairies! Oh! Oh! Bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. On the road again! I'm gonna beat him, I'm gonna beat him, I'm gonna beat him. We're at Sebbe, a little village, and you can either go through the village or round. And I've gone round because my trailer's quite big. Aww, he beat me! Woo! I do like being big, guys. Damn it. Oh well. It is a lot longer round, like. Oliver's in front, I'm behind. He's going slow, and I don't like it. Shall I do him? Shall I do him? I ain't fancy it. Oh, I'll probably get a right bollocking when I get home. I'm going for it.
I'm going for it. I'm going for it. He's popped her out. Here he is. He ain't seen me yet. Come on, Dad. Oh! He's done him. He's done him.
Woo! Yeah! And I've done it. I've done it. I'm not looking forward to going home.
Let's get back to the farm, Sari, and hide. He's gonna have my fun pants down.
Anybody remember that went viral? I tried to do it. It's just that it's too slow for me. I need to be getting on. Boom! We have arrived at our destination. Let's get loaded!
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't just like iron, sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron, sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. It's so unnecessary worrying about life. I might not have it all, but I know I'll be alright. He's gonna challenge me to be the best I can be and to get back.
And we're ready to rock and roll. Let's go home. I've made it home. Let's see if there's any tyres popped. I don't think there is. I think it's fine. He's like, I'm not following you, so I can't push him on, so get back. Do you know what I mean? He wasn't happy with the load, but I'm happy with the load. Right, we'll go and see what damage I've done. I don't think I've done any, so it's fine. I just like to do things right, you know what I mean? Everything looks fine and dandy. Perfect. We'll get them unloaded. Just been to Butcher's in Style. There we go. Jim can hold me bacon and my sausages. Just getting Jim Bob in the buggy because the car brakes don't work. Just popped into Co-op for some baby milk powder. Been into Butcher's. Right, now it's time to head over to see Jim Bob. Here we are, just in time. Oh well, that's all I've got time for on this video. I am ready for your no money new tractor comments, but I could have not put it in at all. But it was an opportunity we couldn't refuse, and Robert Mason is a very good friend and is Peter's bestie, shall I say. He works with him quite a lot and it was an opportunity we couldn't miss. So that's why we've got a new tractor, and it was very handy. We are still expanding, we are still growing, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you have to push forward. Just come at a little bit of a bad time, but it's all right.
It's not
Okay, that's all I've got time for. If you could like, that would be great. If you could share, that would be even better. And if you could,
subscribe.
that would be even better than that. We are nearly 11k. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one. Bye. Bye, Lily.